Hello and welcome to Opening a Business Bank Account. Today's video is offered by the Virginia Early Childhood Foundation as part of the ARPA Technical Assistance Program. During our conversation today, we will talk through what to look for when opening a business bank account and also how do you get started. Setting up a business bank account isn't difficult, and it is the first best step to ensuring that you're clearly separating your personal and your business costs and revenue. It's the first step to creating a financial system for your business. Once set up, you will easily see what money is in your business versus your own pocket. It allows you to clearly separate your personal and business costs and revenue. Getting a business bank account can be quite simple. You may want to use the bank that holds your personal accounts already. While it's not a difficult process, you do want to shop around to compare. You want to find the best deal for your childcare business. We recommend that even if you like your current bank, to look at one or two others to be sure you are making the right choice. So next you may be wondering, why should I open a business bank account? So there are four important reasons which we have displayed here. First, it's important to separate personal from business finances. Secondly, having a business bank account will help you to organize and track your income and your spending. Next, it will make your bookkeeping easier. And lastly, it will aid you in the event that you are audited. So what things should you consider when choosing a bank and opening a business bank account? In selecting a bank for your business account, first and foremost, relationships are important. You want to make sure that the bank will be responsive to your needs and your questions and also provide you the opportunity to grow over time. Once you've established a relationship with your bank, this may allow you access to financial supports such as a business loan or a line of credit to support growing your business. So be sure to evaluate if there are opportunities that the bank can grow with you. Think about how the bank treats you from the moment you first walk in the door. Do they seem eager to talk? Does the employee appear to want your business? If the bank isn't excited to see you when you are a prospective customer, they are not very likely to be there when there's an issue and you need them the most. If the bank appears friendly and welcoming, you should consider these four other points. Does the bank require you to deposit a certain amount of money in the account to open the account? Understanding how much money may be tied up in the account is really important. If the bank requires you to keep a minimum balance, it will then be money that you cannot access easily if you have bills to pay or want to pay yourself. Next, are there fees associated with the account? And what are they? Very often, banks will make a fair amount of money by having small fees that add up quickly, and you will need to factor them into your routine expenses. Next, how many checks can you write a month? How many deposits can you make? Some banks will place limits on the number of checks, transactions, and deposits that can be made for each billing period. After you reach your thresholds, the bank will charge a fee for each transaction. Again, this is going to erode how much money you're making, so it's absolutely important that you know what the fees are and whether they fit the style of your business. And lastly, will you need a debit card or a credit card for your business? Do you want to have access to debt for your business or the ability to use a credit card that is through your bank? These are important services. And again, going to our earlier point, they may also come with fees. So you want to look at those very closely. So now it's time to choose a bank and make a decision. When you have considered 2, 3, or even 4 banks, pull your answers to all of the previously mentioned questions together. If they don't pass the relationship test, then put that bank aside. With the remaining banks, what's the best deal? Think about how much money you are willing to have tied up, for example, those minimum balances, and how high the fees will be per month by estimating based on your current banking. So for example, Marta is looking at 2 banks, Bank A and Bank B. Bank A has a higher minimum deposit of $500, but their fees are lower. Based on the number of checks Marta writes a month and that she doesn't need a debit card, the fees would only be $5 a month. Bank B has higher fees, totaling $8 a month, but no minimum deposit. So which should Marta choose? It's hard to say. A lot depends on her personal needs and finances, but she does have the information she needs to make an informed choice in the best interest of her family and her business. If you would like to learn more information about choosing a business bank account or other business topics, please visit the Virginia Early Childhood Foundation's ARPA webpage at vecf.org/ARPA. There you will find resources to help strengthen your business, and those resources include easy to read written guides, webinars, recorded tutorials, and more. There's also an opportunity for providers to receive personalized free business coaching. Providers can receive tailored feedback on topics as you choose. And while coaching will not provide you with specific details pertaining to your tax situation nor financial advice, you may find that the strategies will empower you to be a better informed business owner. If you would like a deeper look into the strategies that we've talked about today, please view the coaching calendar where you can register for a coaching session with a business coach. Thank you and all the best.